Our community was specifically designed with memory impaired residents in mind. I'm the executive director of the community, and I'm responsible for overseeing all of the operations day to day, the financial stability of the community, the wellness of the residents, and suitability for placement. Prior to a resident moving into our community, we meet with their family, find out what their habits have been, things that they do on a regular basis, their routines. We try to incorporate that into our programming here so that it's more seamless and seems more home-like for them. One of the things that we do here at the Terraces at Villa Verde is the Spark program. The Spark program is designed to help our residents to participate in activities of daily living. One thing that sets the Terraces at Villa Verde apart from everyone else is our amazing staff. The main reason I feel that families should choose the Terraces at Villa Verde is because memory care is a specialty.
I was very happy when Terraces at Villa Verde opened because I was in need of a memory care facility for my husband. I was just so relieved when Terraces finally opened because I knew this would be the place for him to be content and happy, for me to be happy so that I could travel again, I could have a life. I feel as though his stress level here is low because it's such a wonderful community. I would recommend the Terraces to anybody looking for a memory community.
The interaction is probably the most significant aspect of the Terraces. My sister does enjoy the activities. There's been art, music, there have been outings. All of these items are things that have certainly enriched my sister's stay at the Terraces at Villa Verde. My sister, Diane, has had dementia for 6-7 years. So this is probably one of the biggest decisions that one makes, especially for people in their later years. And the Terraces at Villa Verde, we felt fit that bill, and we were so excited for them to finally open their doors and for my sister to become a resident here.